A school, a sanctuary of learning, laughter, and innocence. Every morning, children walk through its gates carrying dreams, curiosity, and hope. But on one fateful morning, December 16, 2014, this sanctuary was shattered. The Army Public School in Peshawar became one of the most harrowing tragedies in modern history. Terrorists stormed the school, mercilessly targeting students, teachers, and staff. The attack left over 150 shaheed, most of them children. Lives cut short, dreams unfulfilled, families broken. The nation, indeed the world, was left in mourning and disbelief. To understand the significance of this tragedy, we must delve into its roots. The attack was carried out by Tehrik-i-Taliban Pakistan, a militant organization. But why this school and why this level of brutality? The APS Peshawar attack was a calculated act of terror orchestrated as retaliation against Operation Zarb-e-Azb, a military offensive launched by Pakistan's armed forces earlier that year to eliminate militant strongholds in North Waziristan. The operation significantly weakened the TTP, forcing them to respond with an act so heinous it would etch fear into the heart of the nation. The choice of a school was deliberate. It was meant to send a message: no place is safe, not even where children learn. The attack revealed vulnerabilities in security protocols and highlighted the urgent need for counterterrorism measures. In the wake of the tragedy, Pakistan's leadership launched the National Action Plan, a comprehensive strategy to combat terrorism. Schools nationwide were fortified and efforts to curb extremism intensified. Despite the horror, the APS attack also united Pakistan. The resilience of its people shone brightly. Parents, students, and teachers across the country stood stronger in defiance of fear. Today, the Army Public School stands rebuilt, a testament to its unbreakable spirit of its students and staff. The attack is a painful reminder of the cost of peace, but also of the courage it takes to confront darkness. For every life lost, for every dream stolen, we remember, and we stand resolute.